Whether you're training for your next marathon or are just getting in a quick run around town, it's crucial to routinely care for your running shoes. Doing so will not only extend the life of your shoes, but will also ensure peak performance. In this video, we'll run you through exactly how to care for your running shoes. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Ready-to-use foam cleaner. 2. Delicate's cleaning brush. 3. Premium microfiber towel. 4. Quick wipes. 5. Repel. The first step is to dry brush the entire upper of the shoes with your Delicate's cleaning brush to remove any top layer dust and dirt. Next, apply a liberal amount of ready-to-use foam cleaner onto the bristles of your Delicate's cleaning brush. Then, using light pressure, scrub the uppers of the shoes using a circular motion. Repeat this step until the stains have lifted. Finally, use your premium microfiber towel and continuously dab and twist the material to soak up as much liquid as possible and to help lift any remaining stain. Once the uppers of the shoes are clean, repeat the same process to clean the midsoles. Lastly, allow the shoes to fully air dry in a well-ventilated area. Once your shoes are clean, we highly recommend applying a coat of Repel, which will safely create a durable, breathable barrier to protect against spills, dirt, and weather. To apply Repel, hold the bottle upright 6 to 8 inches from the shoes. Prime the trigger several times and spray mist evenly covering the entire surface area. Do not oversaturate. Allow the shoes to completely dry before exposing it to liquid or dirt. Now, if you're out and about, a quick and easy way to clean your running shoes is with the Markk Quick Wipe. Simply tear open the foil packaging and use the textured wipe to scrub your shoes using a circular motion. Responsibly dispose of the wipe and packaging and enjoy your run.